Hello and welcome to another tutorial. This tutorial focuses on the task function in Cavok. In Cavok, users can attach tasks to individual assets within their user environment. Tasks can be created and viewed in the Assets Detail view. When creating a task, it is assigned a task type, which describes what needs to be handled within the asset, and a personal assignment, indicating which person should take care of it. Users can leave a comment that may contain detailed instructions or notes, and multiple comments from different users can be added to the same task. Each comment displays a timestamp and the author's name. By clicking the disk icon, the task is saved, and the assigned person receives an email with all the information specified in the task and a direct link to the asset. The assigned person can now access the asset directly via the link in the email and edit it using the gear icon. Using the gear icon, tasks can also be created for multiple assets simultaneously. With a large number of tasks, it may be worthwhile to filter them. Tasks can be filtered by current status, creator, assignee, task, or task type. Tasks can be closed via the Status tab, thus they are not deleted and retain their history. All task types and statuses can be customized for you. More information can be found on our website. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and see you next time.